Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to take a full screenshot of a website. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for taking full screenshot, we have to add an extension in our Chrome browser. So for adding extension, click on these three dots, click on extensions, click on manage extension. Here click on that main menu bar, click on open Chrome Web Store. Here search go full page. Click on very first extension, add to Chrome, click on add extension. Here you can see it is downloaded. Now it is saying use the extension by clicking on the icon by pressing Alt Shift plus P. Here it's showing its icon. Now let's check it is working or not. I will open a website here. Let's open it. I will open that Wikipedia. I will try to take a screenshot of that site. Click on extensions, click on go full page extension. Here you can see it's taking the screenshot. And here you can see it took the screenshot, so you don't have to click on print screen and whatever you are doing till now. Now go with this Pro extension. You can download this extension from here in PDF format. Here click on allow and you can share it in PDF. You can download this PDF in image format also, and you can share that image. Share whatever you want and wherever you want. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.